This is Unit 6 homework number 4, video walkthroughs if you get stuck on one. So we're starting with the polar to rectangular problems. So the polar coordinate is 4 and 2 pi over 3. And remember, we say that x is equal to r cosine theta and y equals r sine theta. So we'll get xy. So that would be x equals 4 times the cosine of 2 pi over 3. And the cosine of 2 pi over 3 is negative 1/2. So we have 4 times negative 1/2, which is equal to negative 2. And y equals 4 sine of 2 pi over 3, which is 4 times square root of 3 over 2 positive. So that would be 2 square root of 3. So our polar or rectangular coordinate is negative 2 square root of 3. Okay, number 2, we have negative 2 and 7 pi over 6. So x equals negative 2 cosine 7 pi over 6, which is negative 2 times negative square root of 3 over 2, which is positive square root of 3. Y equals negative 2 sine of 7 pi. See why you need to know your unit circle? You need to be able to pull these just right out. I don't always do it right, but I know most of them without thinking. So negative 2, and this is would be negative 1/2. So you would get positive 1. So your coordinate is square root of 3, positive 1. Okay, on to number 3. Still going from polar to rectangular, we have negative 3 and negative pi over 4. And let's see, so that would be x equals negative 3 cosine of negative pi over 4. So going backwards on the unit circle, this would be in quadrant 4, which would be positive square root of 2 over 2 for cosine. So that would be negative 3 square root of 2 over 2. And y is equal to negative 3 sine of negative pi over 4, which in quadrant 4 for sine is negative. So negative 3 times negative square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2 is equal to positive 3 square root of 2 over 2. So our coordinate is negative 3 square root of 2 over 2 and positive 3 square root of 2 over 2. So those are kind of easy. Now, the next one I think is a calculator one. We have 7 and 80 degrees. So make sure your calculator's mode is set to degrees. And then you would say x equals 7 times the cosine of 80 degrees. So 7 cosine 80, I get 1.22, and y equals 7 sine of 80, and 7 times sine 80 on your calculator gives you 6.989, I guess, if we want to do 2 digits. So our coordinate would be 1.22 and 6.89. All right, I'll stop there before I go to the different other conversions.